In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pivot tables and dashboards in Zoho Analytics. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and search for Zoho. From the results, click through to the official Zoho site. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your organization's account so you have access to your data and apps. Once you're in the Zoho homepage, look for the App Launcher or List of Apps and choose Analytics. This will take you into the Zoho Analytics environment where all your workspaces and data live. Next, open the workspace that contains the dataset you want to analyze. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where your tables are stored. It helps to quickly scan the tables on the left so you know which one includes the fields you'll need, like dates, categories, and numbers. To create your pivot, click the Create button and select Pivot View. If you prefer, you can also right-click a table and choose New, then New Pivot View. Either way, the Pivot Designer opens. On the left, you'll see the list of columns from the table you selected. Think of these as your building blocks. Now arrange your analysis by dragging fields into the shelves on the right. Use rows for the categories you want listed down the side, like product, region, or team. Use columns for the categories you want across the top, such as month or status. Then drop your numeric fields into the data shelf. These are your measures, like sales, cost, or count of records. If a field supports different aggregations, click its drop-down to switch from sum to count, average, min, or max. You can add multiple measures and rearrange fields at any time to pivot the perspective of your report. When your layout looks right, click Generate Pivot to see the result. This gives you an interactive table you can refine further. Use filters to narrow the scope, for example, limiting to a date range or a specific category. Explore display options to show or hide grand totals and subtotals, format numbers as currency or percentages, and adjust sorting so the most important items rise to the top. If you see unexpected results, double-check that dimensions are in rows or columns and measures are in data, and confirm the aggregation matches your analysis goal. Once your pivot is clear and useful, it's ready to be included in a dashboard alongside charts and KPIs, giving stakeholders a single place to monitor performance. That's the complete process for building a pivot view in Zoho Analytics and preparing it for dashboard use.